Good day, my name is Mark Jersey Acosta, and this is a video of installing Windows 2008 in VirtualBox. So first, click New to add, then the name of the Windows 2008, then click Next, then click Next. So just next for the recommended storage. So click Setting, then Storage, then click the empty in the devices to add the ISO. Choose this file, then the ISO that you download for it. Then open, then OK. Then you can click start. So just wait. So here is the installation of the Windows 2008. So next, click install now. Then wait for it to start. Just click the full installation, then next, click I accept the license terms. Next, then just click the custom and click the device size you choose for the Windows 2008. Then in this part, it takes long, so I just forward it and we're just gonna wait for it. Then you can click restart now for the restart right away. Then in this part, don't click anything, so it will not restart again. So just wait. Setup is updating. It says setup is starting devices. So here it says completing installation. So just wait. Then it says setup will continue to my computer. So again, don't click anything on this part. Just gotta wait. So it says setup is preparing your computer for first use. So just normal, it said the user's password must be changed before logging in the first time. So since it's the first time, it will ask this. So type the password you want for this Windows 2008. So I just used mine. Then it says your password will be changed. So click OK. Then we'll wait. And now you have your Windows 2008. That's all. Thank you.